I am literally trying something new today I never did before. Did you ever have like a whole bunch of stuff in your refrigerator and you just want to mix it all together? And even they say that folks of old would do that. They would take things out of the refrigerator, especially those with big families, and they would mix it all together. So what I'm doing is I have my macaroni half cooked with the imitation crab legs. I have two different kinds of cheeses, mozzarella and sharp cheddar. And then I have, I shook 2 eggs in one of my ball jars, put it in there, salt and pepper, and then I'm going to do something new. This is my roux with the milk and milk and flour. And now I'm going to add the butter to it. I'm really hoping that doesn't curdle. I'll wait a minute before I do that so I can mix it. And then I'm going to try something new. Here we go. I am going to put some greens. I'm going to take out those stems, the yellow stems, and I'm going to put greens in the macaroni and cheese. I know it sounds crazy, but I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done. Okay, I'm checking on my macaroni and cheese, and so far it came out so nice. It's been in 40 minutes. So what I'm going to do is I'm taking off the aluminum foil, and I'm going to cook it to can brown. Okay, so I just wanted to make a video of me taking my my new recipe, my new macaroni and cheese recipe out of the oven. So here we go. I left it in for a while to brown, and it looks beautiful. It didn't brown as much as I wanted it to, but it's definitely cooked good. So let me take it to the table. Hold on. All right, so I took them out. I took them out of the oven, and they look really nice. The colors are beautiful. I think my daughter said she loved the colors of them. I told her, I said that was the Sicilian in her. She saw the red, white, and green. All right, so they came out really nice, and I'm going to let them cool. I guess this is where the eggs and milk were. That's okay. It looks good, though. I bet you I'm going to test it out. Okay, I just wanted to make this video for you guys so you can see, just to see the consistency and stuff. This piece of crab, I just threw it on top. But anyhow, look how it came out nice. Look how it cuts. This is my new recipe, and you can tell I forgot to take the the stems out of the greens, but that's all right. I eat them too. It cuts real nice. It stands up real nice. And it's not too creamy. Let's see if I can get this over. I'm looking through the camera and it's hard to do. It's not too creamy, yet it's not too dry. I can't get that on the side. There we go. It's not too creamy and it's not too dry. That is a nice consistency. All right, well, thanks for hanging in there with me. It's a new recipe. Give it a try, guys. Macaroni and cheese with cooked greens in them. All right, God bless. Thanks for watching. I took hopefully taking a better video of these because I think I had a bad angle before. And that right there, don't pay any attention to that. That is, believe it or not, this is what our crows bring us. We leave things out for the crows, and they bring us gifts, and that's one of the gifts that the crows bring us. And there they go. So when they cool down, I'll cut them and let you guys see what it looks like.